Hey, today is the last day. You know, when you're about to dish up a pot, you put some last recipes, some spices there and there. So today is the last day, and then tomorrow, worldwide, they will be listening to the album Amavo, A Journey with Azania. That's what I'm busy doing, brother. Yeah. Yes. The last day today to make it the point that everything is on point for the listeners from the songs that they know and also some big songs they don't know. Yeah, so it's a surprise. Some of the songs you don't even know. You, Senti, you don't know them. You'll be surprised. You know, it will be, you won't know which one now you end up liking. That's how fat the album is, brother. You know, it becomes you're one of the few stations that have that song, brother. Mm. Please. I'll push it. And then maybe, just maybe, when you wake up, you'll already be having it. I don't want to tell you the time, but tomorrow. But tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, brother. Yeah, that's how it's going to be. Yeah, sure. Mm. Yeah, it means Qika Mzala means, hey Mzala, stay focused, Mzala. Otherwise, you'll be in danger. That's, that's what the song is about, basically. Yeah. So if you don't know your language, you start in trouble. If you don't know yourself, you are starting trouble. You're putting petrol in fire. You're killing yourself. So Qika Mzala before everything gets into a mess. So yeah, the song is about that. Yeah, Fred. Straight and simple, straight to the point. I'm listening. Mm, exactly. That's how it is. That's how it is. So we telling you our followers. Can you hear my English? We telling you the okay. We telling you, brother. So yeah. It's high time that the world should know. Our listeners should listen and react and tell us what should we add more. But I bet, brother, the all the walks of lives are covered in the album. That's all I can say. All the walks of life are covered. So still the same thing. Mm. Yes, brother. Mm-hmm. Kronstadt, big up. Thank you, brother.